How to log in Laurentian Bank. Welcome back to Techmates, and let's get right into this video. For this, you can check out laurentianbank.ca. That will directly lead you to the official homepage of Laurentian Bank. Now to log in into Laurentian Bank, you can use this online website or even log in using your Laurentian Bank application. At the top of the dashboard, select on the login option at the top. Select on LBC Direct. It will redirect you to a new login portal. Now to log in, you can enter your access code and your password at the bottom. This is if you already have an account. Select on Remember Me only if you're using your personal device. Select on Reset Password in case of forgotten credential. To recover, you can easily input your access code and your DOB. Select on Continue and you'll be able to recover your account as well. And that brings up to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.